I can't feel my
I
balls.
started that.
The alarm's gone off.
Party at my house.
Let's get steaming. Let's go dance on the remains.
Party at mine's, man.
Oh yeah, fuck
Never
it.
fucked in the high street, they did nicking about that.
Oh, look at that.
What the fuck?
I just shot my pants for no reason.
What's going on?
Oh, you bastard.
That was a poor effort, actually.
I thought the chimney was going on.
Nah.
Chimney's going at a later date, apparently. Oh, the seagulls are like, you bastards.
My eggs.
Is that him putting that away? Ha ha, we're not in the way of the wind, so it's not coming this way.
That's it.
It's like the Twin Towers,
Minute
eh?
silence. Minute silence. They tell me you recorded when you said that.
What? Aye.
Daft.
I'm going to cut it to a minute, though.
Fucking hell.
You're a bastard.
That's that, boys. That's that.
Just wait until it all clears and stop fucking the fence.
Free country, bitch.
Your funeral.
My vow. Oh, Stuart. Can we go to Stuart's later on?
Oh no, Greg's.
Stuart's.
Ben's.
Fuck Ben. Ben can suck my left nut. My big toe. Ben can suck my big toe. And Greg's can freeball me.
This is pish. Why are you still there?
Because recording the smoke and all that.
Just to get the effects, eh?
This is going to be like photoshopped and everything on YouTube, so it's like...
Like UFOs flying past and shit.
Wait, yeah, it was.